Hey there, what's cracking, guys? It's Cooler139. As you can tell, I'm currently under a severe thunderstorm watch. Yeah, as you can tell from the lights that are completely orange, because that is what I'm under. And basically, I think it's gonna go through my TV. So let's see if it really does go through my TV, because it did set my area. And as you can tell, my Radio Shack just like
humidity 84%.
Just like, you know, I don't know, activated very slowly, so I had to, wait for it. Yeah. But basically, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna like, keep my radios down, so that way. Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 154, effective until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Texas: Anderson, Cherokee, Gregg, Henderson, Rusk, Smith, Upshur, Van Vent, and Wood. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 154 has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Texas: Anderson, Cherokee, Gregg, Henderson, Rusk, Smith, Upshur, Van Vent, and Wood.
And this ends the video, guys.